Welcome back to Financier Pro YouTube channel and podcast. Please subscribe and comment below what you think about this. Let me know what if you have Fidelity. Today I'm going to talk about Fidelity investments. This is so perfect for beginners. As soon as you hit 18, 21, you get that first job, you living with your parents, most of you. This is what they did not teach us. Let's go. So, Fidelity. Let's say you working McDonald's, Walmart, you going to school, college, you think you need all your money, but think about this. What we don't understand is 30 years from now, okay? 25 years from now. Put a little up every paycheck, every week or every 2 weeks, put $10, $20 up in your Fidelity account, IRA, mutual fund. I have an S&P 500 as well, even though it dipped a little bit yesterday, but it goes up and down like a roller coaster. Good for retirement. Think about that. I'm all about the FIRE movement. That's what my new book is about. Time is money. Time is money. All about the fire movement. Time is money. This is what it's all about. My new book, guys. I'm going to put the link to the description below in the video. So, Fidelity, I'm going to tell you a little bit about Fidelity for those that do not know. Let's see. Overview. Fidelity Investments offers a area of trading. So, all you really need to start out, mutual fund, IRA. Okay, you can put up to 5,500 to 6,000 per year in an IRA for retirement. All right, and a S&P 500. Make sure, and if your job gives you or contributes to your 401k 50%, some of them do, most of them do, some of them don't. Oh, got the lucky baby Buddha. My kids will love that. Baby Buddha is the luck charm. But 401k contributions, okay? I know we are living in those COVID-19 times, but if they're contributing 50% to your 401k, you need to contribute something at least, please, because you never know. Social Security might not be around and you don't want to count on that. Count on your own investment tips, your own investment strategy. So, Fidelity account, pricing and fees. Fidelity doesn't really charge for setting up these accounts. They only charge for trading over the phone, which is $5. With a living broker is somewhat almost $30. That's with a live broker. Sometimes that's a good idea. Sometimes you can do it yourself. Let's see. ETFs, they have REITs, which is dealing with real estate. You can buy a couple REITs, and that's like buying stock in an apartment building. So you want to do that after you learn the basics of investing. Cash management, and you can transfer money from your bank account straight to a Fidelity account. And this is not a paid ad or whatever. I'm just telling you guys my personal experience with Fidelity. Customer service is A plus, 7 days per week. Promotions, they always do promotions on different things. But you know, one great thing about Fidelity is they have so much information on stocks, everything, setting up IRAs. They just a vast treasure chest of information on the website. Mobile trading, they have the mobile trading app. Definitely get that. The pros of Fidelity, it's not about the brick and mortar, it's more online with Fidelity. And you know, that's basically it, guys. And you're young, whatever age, but it's better to do it while you're young, working from home, working at home, coming home, living with your parents, you know, because I say that this was not taught to me at a young age, and I wish it was. I wish this was taught to me at a young age. You put money in that if you can, put as much as you can afford in your Fidelity accounts, and think about retiring early in life. You don't want to work for someone 70, 80 years old and think about retirement. Retirement age is around 65. Full retirement is almost 70, I believe. Who wants to do that? No one. Think about that, guys. Think about retiring. The fire movement. It's real out here. Fidelity account. What do you guys think? Please comment below. Don't forget to subscribe, share this video. See you guys next time on Financial Pro.